Score po natin, ang score. Next game po natin. Last game to, last game. Good start versus Altao Kilat. Altao Kilat.
May papadala na.
Ba? May isang braso na ba? Ito sa'yo. Trail kasi doon. May tao doon. Pero dito ka nakatingin. Pag-ano na gano'n malayo. May tao ka doon.
Ang na pre ha.
Dito ako para talagang
Right.
Yan. Yan mo muna dito sa ano kabila.
O baka po may nakaiwan ng susi. Oo, yung meron pong nail cutter na kasama dun sa kumain kanina. Ayun. Baka may nakaiwan ng susi. Hindi makapasok sa bahay. Sigurado, babalik yan. May susi ng pinto, may susi ng cabinet. Tsaka ewan ko yung isa, susi yata ng langit ito.
limang kape.
Start lang.
Idol, limang kape ha.
Altao Kilat. Altao Kilat.
Oh, muna yung good start eh.
Kailangan ba talaga kakulay ng ano? Kakulay ng uniform yung sa taas? Kulay na kulay talaga yun.
Hindi pinagandaan ni Ikote eh. Hindi siya prepare. Hindi prepare.
Sa exit na ako eh. Loy!
Bayan yung Toyota at saka yung
Hindi naman papasok eh.
malakasan. Ha? Malakasan yung line up.
Under 17, matik na yan. Pag hindi laro yan. Ay, si Patrimonio ko pala lagay mo dyan. Patrimonio.
Suisi number 1 pa yun. Hindi, 0-1 at saka 1, walang okay. Grabe yun, no? Yung 0-1 parehos. Ito, 0. Ha? Si ano? Si Jiboy? Jiboy?
Kumakain lang, kumakain lang. Bilas tayo, dapat. Second year sa akin.
Last 12. Ah, no. Hindi, number ba? Number 13.
Bola, idol.
Okay, let's begin our last game for tonight. Battle between Altikawalat versus Good Start. First five for Good Start. Number 01 Galang.
Last game po natin tonight. Last
Number
game.
15 Valiente. 91 Noel. Number 01 Boise.
Demisa. Si Abe.
Number 23.
Abe.
Ayan.
Si Abe.
Sunga.
Sugad. Luis. Sungad.
And we are back to the ball game.
Demesa lang ang gamit na sa FB. Okay lang yun, kahit demesa ang talaga.
Ano?
Pwede yung demesa na lang.
Ano yun? Ano yun dyan? Tsaka
Alkawalat.
Alta Kawalat. Good Start versus Alta Kawalat. Shout out George Galsim.
Ayun na, Kaliwan. Paso, Agustin. Back to number 14. Back to Kaliwan. 12. Ayun, basket count.
Warat.
Galang, paso Boise. Ayun, steal coming from Agustin. Paso Kaliwan. Ayun, and Galang leading the ball. Paso Boise. Basket count coming from Boise. Agustin. 14. Paso Kaliwan. Paso Iwarat. Ayun na, running shot. Sumablay. Valiente for the rebound. Paso Galang. And Galang dribbling the ball. Pass to the mesa. For three. Sumabas pa. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Kaliwan pa rin. Paso Agustin. Back to Kaliwan. 14 to shoot. 10. And Demesa dribbling the ball. Demesa pa rin. Ayun na, pass to Valiente. Uy. Sinipa pa. Ginawang football. Backing na nga. Sinipa pa.
Good start talaga eh. Talagang good start.
Ayan sila, nangangano kayo eh. May nibit nga yan eh. Ayun na, number 14, Agustin. Open, 4-3. Sumablay, rebound, tabikan, ayun na. Kaliwan, 12. Ayun, ganda ng assist, basket count.
Kaliwan.
Galang, 18-wed. Ayun, tabikan, Galang ulit, paso Boise. 14 to shoot. Boise for 3. Sumablay, and Iwanat. Taking the ball. Kaliwan. Kaliwan pa rin. Ayun na. Paso number 13, Agustin. Angat, Sablay. And Sablay pa rin. And Noel, paso Valiente. Valiente, paso de mesa, open for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na, Kaliwan. Back to Agustin. 14. Iwarat. Ayun ang foul. Ay tinawag kay number 91.
The Joker.
Blocking foul.
The Joker.
Joker.
Unang tiro sa line. Last throw. Oy, Valiente for the steal, basket count. Ayon 6-5 and we start leading by a half set. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Ayun na, pupukol ng trap. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan. Ayun na, putback, sablay. Ayun, nagawa ng bola, Galang. Dribbling the ball, Galang pa rin. Paas to Demesa. Paas to Valiente. Ayun. And Valiente, assist myself. Lapit ng Valiente, assist myself.
The number 1 fan.
Agustin. Pasok kaliwan. Back to Agustin. Ganda ng assist. Iwarat open. Sablay. Ayun na. And number 25. Pull. Sablay. Leon bring the ball.
Leon
And
Guerrero.
Leon pa rin. Angat. Basket count.
Leon Guerrero.
Kaliwan. Ganda ng assist. Agustin. Fake. Ayun. And Valiente. Uy. At meron ng foul na tinawag kay number 4. He wanted first personal foul. First team foul, 5 minutes and 34. 10-5 ang ating score. Galang. Pass to Leon. Ay, traveling. Score 10-5.
Maybe first five.
Ay na, kaliwan. Ito na Wed. Pass to Agustin. Pass to Iwanat. Back to number 14. Ay na, pull up. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan. Galang, dribbling the ball. And Galang pa rin. Pass to Boise. At meron ng foul. Ay tinawag kay number 33. Agustin, substitution. Mendoza.
Ay, gile. Lima. Labas kayo.
Labas lahat.
Dito kayo, hindi. Dito yung ball niyo. Technical.
Oh, free throw yan. For improper uniform. Ay. Ay, dito yung ring niyo, bro. Huwag mo nang dagdagan yung puntos nila. Oh. Ayan. Score 11-6. Ayan, number 14 open. Oy, still. Back to number 14, Agustin. 10. Agustin, pull up. Sablay, rebound, Iwarat. At meron ng foul. Ay, number 10, kaya ko.
Parang bulldozer.
Kaya ko first personal foul. Second team foul. And 2 free throws for Iwarat, number 4. Unang tira pasok. Last throw. Ang basket coming from Iwanat, 100% shooting from the free throw line. Is score 11-8.
Score po natin,
Reno.
11-8.
Good start.
Pass to Jawari. 14. Bernel. Ayun, pass to Kayako. Steal. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Pass to Iwanat. Ayun na. Traveling. Ayun na, Trinos. 14. Pass to Trinos. 10. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. Coming from Kayako. Ayun na, pass break play. And napaganda pa. Basket count. Coming from number 14. He scored 13-10, 3-point lead. Ayun na, Bernal. Back to Trinos. Pass to Manintim. Sumablay, Bernal for the rebound. Back to Trinos. 10 to shoot. Is still coming from Kaliwan. Ayun na, Kaliwan. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. Jawari. Pass to Trinos. Back to Jawari. Ayun na, Bernal. Okay, basket count. Coming from Bernal. He scored 15-12. Okay. Ayun na, bubukol ng tres. Ganda ng linya. Iwarat. Put the putback. Sumablay. And Trinos leading the ball. Trinos pa rin. Ohoy, napalakas ang bounce. Pagkataas na ito. Kaliwan leading the ball. Ayun na, bubukol ng tres. Overshoot, Iwara, pick, and meron tayong foul. Ay tinawag kay number 01, Bernal. Time out! Alti Kawalat.
Good start,
Pinag-isipan ko pa,
15.
yung sasabihin ko.
12, Alti Kawalat.
Ang hirap bigkasin. Ang hirap bigkasin. Altaw Kilat. Altaw Kilat. Oh, yun, Altaw Kilat pala. Altaw Kilat. Oh. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Walang tatawid ha. No jaywalking. Unang tiro sa Bly. Last throw. Now Jawari for the rebound. Ayun na, Trinos leading the ball. Trinos pa rin. Pass to Manintim for Dre. Stay on. Tirang kapos. Ayun na, Kaliwan.
No problem. Good start, good start.
Open. Sumablay. Bernal for the rebound. Pass to Trinos. And Trinos leading the ball. Trinos pa rin. Nakiraan. Ayun. Still. And number 14 leading the ball. Ganda ng asisi. Wara! For the 15-14. 1 minute and 27. Jawari. Pass to Bernal. Open for Dre. Bang! Bernal! For Dre. Yung tirang binalibag lang. Akalain mo na-shoot. Ayun na. Still coming from Bernal. Pass to Jawari. And Jawari leading the ball. Jawari pa rin open. Sumablay. Ayun ang gulang. Si number 11, Manintim. Kitang-kita ang hawi. Warning na for penalty, Kaliwan. 58 seconds. Ayun. Sablay, Bernal for the rebound. Ayun na, Trinos dribbling the ball. Trinos pa rin. Running shot. Sumablay and Trinos pa rin. Pass to Manintim. Sumablay. Isa pa. Ayun na, dinakdak na. Sumablay. 35 seconds. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Kaliwan. Natapo ng Sabaw. 27 seconds remaining. Starting game clock. And Trinos receiving the basket. He scored 18-14. Shot clock 15. Jawari. Back to Trinos. Ion is still coming from Kaliwan. And 12. Number 14. Basket count. 8 seconds. 5. And that's the end of the first quarter. The score 18-16.
18. Altao Joaquin. 16. Nakapiyan kasi
18 good start and Altao Kilat 16. Oh, baka madulas ako, iba yung mabanggit ko eh. Kaya binabasa ko. Tawa ni ate. Baka Altao, Kilat. Tawa ni ate. Pasok. Wala ng good start.
alam din.
Altao, blank, lat. Oh.
Hoy, bastos!
Ayun na. Patrimonio, paso sa Liberes. Paso. Jean jacket. Ayun na, Patrimonio. Paso go to Ruben. Sumablay. Rebound by number 20. Ayun na, steal coming from Liberes. Pasok yung bao. Ayun na, kiyang bao. Paso Godoy. Sumablay. Godoy ulit for the putback. Ayun na, Soto pass to. Ayun na, ganda ng assist. Yun lang. Good ball yan. Pasok Kaliwan. Ayun na, number 27 fake. And number 2 pull up is good for the score 2018. Ayun ang Kiambao. Oh, nice defense coming from and number 27 running shot, Sablay, rebound and Godoy dribbling the ball. Pasok Kiambao, back to Godoy and angat, basket count 22-18, 4-point lead. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Ayun. Good ball yan. Ayun na. Kaliwan for the steal. And Kaliwan. Ayun, ganda ng assist na yun. Basket count. 30. Ayun na si Liberes. 18 awad. 14. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Soto. Number 20.
Bensin. Kala ko bensin.
14 to shoot.
Nakatakot eh.
Ayun ang Silveres. Pasok yung bao. Kiambao. Dapak. Petal King. Sumablay. And putback Sablay. Ayun. And Godoy for the putback. Sablay. And tapigan. Agawan ng bola. Ayun na. Soto. Dribbling the ball. And pasok Kaliwan. Ganda ng assist. Ayun na. Basket count. Iba talaga pag nakaka-shoot. Garang tumakbo. Takbong mayaman. Iba talaga yun. 22 all ang ating score. Godoy open. Ayun. Lazy rin for 2. 7 minutes and 32. Ayun na. Ganda ng pasa. Ayun. Oh, basket count. Oh. Sarvilla. Oh. Ayun na, Silveres. Pass ni Patrimonio. Ayun na, Godoy. Oh, tirang kapos. Oh. Score deadlock at 24. Ayun na, Kaliwan. Pass ni Soto. Open. Portrait. Bang! Soto! Portrait. Payman! Good start. Parang hindi
Good
yata
start
good.
24. Altaw na.
Parang bad start yata.
Good start in our box.
Ayun na, Godoy. Paso si Liberes. Ayun na, paso number 21. Back to Kiambao. And Kiambao back to Liberes. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, and one. Basket count. Foul number 50.
Jane Jacket.
3-0.
Jane Jacket.
Leal personal foul. Second team foul. Bonnie shot. Bonnie shot. And supply, rebound, Soto. I know. And reading the ball. Sauki. Pass to Sordilla. Ayun, ganda ng pasa. Ayun na, Soto. Sordilla. Ayun, the running shot is good for two. Iba talaga pag nakaka-shoot. Oh. Nakakabilis talaga tumakbo. 29-26 and Tokilat leading by 3 points. Silveres, pass to Kiambao, pass to Patrimonio, angat, Sablay, Patrimonio for the putback, Sablay, and Soto. And pass break play, ayun na, ganda ng assist, ayun lang. Oh, ayun na, Kaliwan, ganda ng pasa na yun. Sumablay, and Patrimonio for the rebound, ayun lang, natapon ang Sabaw.
Maganda naman yung tira, hindi lang nasip talaga. Maganda naman ang tira eh. Hindi lang talaga nasip.
Ayun na, Kaliwan. Pass sa Sauki, back to Kaliwan. Ayun na, pupukol ng track. Sumablay. Substitution. Wala. Sige, warning. For delaying the game. Ayun na, Kiambao. Silveres. Pass to Jean Jacket for three. Sumablay, Kaliwan for the rebound. Ayun na, ganda ng pasa. And Sordilla. For two. Time out! Good start. Parang hindi nga good. Klaseng bad.
Home court advantage. What happened in a good start? Good. No good. Bad start. Advantage,
Back to the ball game. Lima-limang. Alto Wilak. Lima-limang. Alto Wilak. Pinapractice ko lang. Baka nga mamali ako ng sabi.
Outalats.
Ayun na. Trinos. Pass to Dibesa. Back to Trinos. 14 to shoot. Trinos for three. Bang! Trinos for three. Ayun na. Ganda ng assist. Number 2. Running shot. Sablay. Rebound. Well. And pass to Dibesa. Back to Trinos. Back to Dibesa. Open. Pass to Silveras. Ayun na. Noel Portil. Ayun na. Score tie game at 31, 4 minutes and 28. Ayun, number 2 pull up. Sablay, Noel for the rebound. Pass to Trinos. Demesa for 3. Sumablay, Soto for the rebound. And Soto pass to Kaliwan. Kaliwan drilling the ball. Kaliwan pa rin. Ganda ng assist. Basket count. Coming from number 21. Sordilla pala yun. Sordilla. Ayun na. Trinos. 14. And Boise. Igot. Ayun. Still coming from Kaliwan. And Sordilla. Lilipad. Basket count. 35-31, 4-point lead. And Trinos in the ball. Soliveres for three. Sumablay. Noel for the rebound. Boise for the rebound. And laser in. Basket count. Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Ganda ng pasa na yun. Oh, Boise for the steal. Pass to Noel. And Noel dribbling the ball. Pass to Trinos. Pass to Mesa. Ayun lang. Gobolian. And Sordilla. Dribbling the ball. Hey! Natapo ng sabaw. Ayun na, Mesa. Pass to Oliveres. Back to Mesa. For three. Bang! Time out! Daw Kilat.
Oh. Kilat. 35. Good start. 36.
Good start na ulit.
Diyan, uwi na ako dyan. Uwi na ako. Saan ba? Ayun, uwi na. Sige. Bukas na lang ha.
Pasok. RJ, saglit. May nakalimutan. Halika. Halika, saglit lang. Ayun na. 4-20 shoot. Ken, Leal, for three. Bang! And Leal, for three. This 3-point shot is brought to you by Gantur Company. And Trinos. Alto Kilat leading by 2 points. Boys, 4-20 shoot. 10. Ayun na, Noel, pull up, supply, rebound, Leal, pass to Kaliwan, and Kaliwan dribbling the ball, Kaliwan, ayun lang, still, and Temesa pass to Soliveres, pull up, jumper, Sumablay, and Kaliwan dribbling the ball, Kaliwan pa rin, good ball yan, and Temesa, open, for three. Sumablay, and rebound by number 2. Pass to Kaliwan. Pass to Lian. Oy, ganda ng assist na yun. And one. Basket count. Foul number 23, Demesa. Ang tawag sa depensa na yun. Happy viewing. Substitution. Bonus shot. It's good. Coming from Labitis. 41-36. Akala ko import yun. Ayun na. Trinos. 4-3. Pilipit. Soto for the rebound. Pass to Leal. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Pass to number 2, Grant, Sumablay, Leon for the rebound. And pass to Trinos. Trinos dribbling the ball. Pass to Soliveres. Back to Godoy. Pass to Boise. Still. And Leal dribbling the ball. Mukhang napagod na sila. Leal for 3. Lumabas pa. And Noel dribbling the ball. 40 seconds remaining. Sumablay. Soto. Pass to Kaliwan. And Kaliwan sablay. And Leon. Pass to Godoy. Soliveres open for 3. Sumablay. Trinos for the rebound. Ayun na. Boise kapos. Boise uli. Meron ng foul sa baba pa lang. Foul number 20. Soto second. Personal foul. 19 seconds remaining. 19 seconds. 14 to shoot. Boise. Pass to Trinos. Open for 3. Sumablay. Holding foul ay tinawag kay number 30. Leal. Second personal foul, 11 seconds remaining. 11 seconds remaining. Ayun na, Godoy, Sablay, ayun na. And Leal. 5. And 5! That's the end. The second quarter, 41-36.
Score po natin, 36-41. Lamang po ang Kawin. O, sino po yung may mga ano dyan nakaiwan ng susi? May nail cutter po. Ito po yung susi, o, ito. Ito.
Back to the ball game. This is our third quarter. Altaukilat ball.
Mag-message na po kayo sa
Altaukilat ball.
kay Com o kay Manager.
Depensa yung good start.
Ito yung susi.
Pasok po 5. Pasok po 5. Pasok 5.
Sino po nakaiwan ng susi? Paki-message na po si Com or si Manager. Salamat po.
Ayun na, Sordilla. Sordilla. Pupukol ng press. Number 25, Sablay. And number 15, Drake. 10. Ayon Sablay, Boise. At meron ng foul. Ay tinawag din number 14. San Antonio first personal foul. First team foul. Galang. Pass to Godoy. Pass to Boise. Sablay, rebound San Antonio. Ayun na, ganda ng assist. Fake. Traveling na. Traveling na. Inangat mo yung pivot foot mo. Okay lang yun, kung isa lang. Ayun na, Galang. Signaling the play. Pass to Jawari. Pass to Boise. Kaya ko open. Sumablay, rebound. Ayun na. And San Antonio dribbling the ball. San Antonio pa rin. Pass to Warat. Ayun na. Warat. Sumablay. And Boise dribbling the ball. Pass to Jawari. Jawari. Boise. San Antonio itinawad. 41-38. San Antonio pa rin. Nakiraan. The floater. Sablay. Rebound. Boise. Pass to Galang. Ayun na. Pass to Jawari. And Jawari. Back to Galang. Pass to Boise. 4-10 to shoot. Ayun lang. Good. Ayun. 3-on-1 situation. Ayun lang. Good ball yan. Pupukol. Tapos. Ayun. Sumablay. Ayun na, Jawari, pass to Boise. And Boise dribbling the ball. Foul number 25. Mendoza. Hindi magkakaroon ng counted kundi ni dribble pa. And 2 free throws for Boise. Nang tira pasok. Last throw. 41-39 ang ating score in favor of Altaukilat. Ngayon, basket count, it's 41-40. San Antonio. Paso Sordilla. Traveling. Dribble muna bago hakbang. Ay na, Galang, back to Godoy. Back to Galang. Back to Godoy. Pass to Jawari. Kaya ko. Godoy open. And sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. And kaya ko. Pass to Godoy. Ayun lang. Ang tawag doon, delete pass. Muntik na malunok. Yung bola. Ayun na, San Antonio.
Galing, tira!
14 to shoot. And number 25, oh, basket count. Coming from number 25, Mendoza. And Galang itinawid. Pass the boys eh. Uy. Foul number 27. Sordilla, first personal foul. 6 minutes, 39 seconds remaining. Ayun na, boys eh. At meron ng foul na dinawag kay number 4, Iwanat. Substitution. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Taga muna. Wala. Warning pa lang. Ayun na, binibilangan. Godoy. Paas si Jawari. 10. And Leon sumablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Ayun na. And Noel. 8. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 4. Iwanat. Third personal foul. Tatlo na. Bonus shot for Noel. For the equalizer. It's tie game at 43.
43 all point score. 43 all. Third quarter.
Ayun na, San Antonio. 4-3. Bang! San Antonio 4-3. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. Ayun na, Noel. Open. And 1. Tinamaan sa ulo. Basket count, foul number 25. Mendoza, substitution. Substitution. Coach. Yung ibang player mo, ipasok mo na sa third. Kasi pag hindi na ipasok ng first, mula first hanggang third, hindi na makakalaro ng fourth. Kahit saglit lang, ipasok mo. Ayun na. Kaliwan, dribbling the ball. Kaliwan pa rin. Paso San Antonio. 12 to shoot. Fake. Angat. Sablay. Ayun na, Jawari. Paso si Liberas. Pull up jumper is good. Coming from si Liberas. At lumamang na ang good start ng isa. Kaliwan, dribbling the ball. Kaliwan pa rin. 14, ganda ng assist. Ayun lang. And Leon pa si Jawari. And Jawari pa rin. Angat, sablay, rebound, tapikan. Ayun na. And number 26. Paso Kaliwan. Meron ng foul. May foul na. Tinawag kay number 01. Galang substitution. Galang, first personal foul. First team foul. Ayun, substitution. Jawari out. Trenos in. 18 to shoot. Kaliwan. Hindi pa naka-establish. Napabilis yung pass eh. Ayun na, Galang, paso Trenos. Open for 3. Lumabas pa. Ayun na, kaya ako. Ayun, still coming from Bags. Kaliwan, dribbling the ball. Kaliwan pa rin. Ayun, ganda ng assist, number 26. Angat, sablay, put back, sablay. And Bags, open. 12 to shoot. 8, Iwarat, sablay. Ayun, Bags pa rin. Ayun, tapi ka, nagawa ng bola. Uy! Oo, traveling. Oo. Wala nang paibot yun, umikot eh. Substitution. Hernandez. Substitution. Substitution. Number 10, kaya ko. Oo. Ayun na, Galang. 18 away. Pass to Trinos. Back to Galang. Galang for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na, Kaliwan, reeling the ball. At meron ng foul na itinawag kay Galang number 01. Second personal foul. Second team foul substitution. Kaliwan, bubukol Sablay, and Leon. Pass to Silveres. Pass to Jean Jacket. And Valiente for the 3 minutes and 35, 49, 46 3-point lead. And Leal. Pass to Kaliwan. Leal for 3. Sumablay, Trinos for the rebound. Ayun, still coming from Kaliwan. And Kaliwan, nakatukod, si number 21, Jean Jacket. First personal foul, third team foul, 14 to shoot. Ayun. And Trinos for the steal. Trinos with the ball. Trinos pa rin. And Trinos open. Basket down. Coming from Trinos with the 51-46. Last 3 minutes something game clock. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. 14. Soto. And Valiente dribbling the ball. Valiente pa rin yun. Trinos. And basket down. Time out.
Score po natin, Altaw Kilat. Altaw pala yan 46. Good start, 53. Altaw Kilat. Third quarter na po to. Third quarter. Shout out po sa 12,000 viewers natin dyan. Pwede po, pakishare na lang po yung live natin. Pakishare na lang po. Kung sino po yung nakaiwan ng susi, message na po si manager o si com. Susi na po ng bahay siguro to. Hindi namin alam kung ano. May nail cutter po siya. Message na lang po si com at saka si manager.
Kaliwan, domination 35. Back to Leal. 14 to shoot. And Kaliwan pa rin. 10. Ganda na kasi Soto. It's 53-48. 5-point lead. And Trinos City na win. Pass to Silveres. 14. Trinos open. 10. Valiente. 5. Sumablay. Soto for the rebound. Ayun na. Kaliwan. Trailing the ball. Kaliwan. Sumablay. And well for the rebound. Pass to Silveres. And Silveres pa rin. Ayun. Still. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. And basket down coming from Kaliwan for 2. 53-50, 1 minute and 30 starting game clock. And Noel, pass to Valiente. Silveres open. Pass to Trinos. 12. Bobolyan. Ayun na, Kaliwan. Lilipad. Sumablay. Ayun na, Tapika, nagawa ng bola. Oh, alam na kung sino last touch. Ayun na, Trinos. Paso Valiente. Paso Silveras, open. Portrait. Sumablay, rebound. Oh, pinasa sa kalaban. Substitution, kulit-kulit. Substitution.
Last 56.
56 seconds remaining. 56. Ayun na. Ayun na, Godoy. Back to Trinos. And Trinos in the ball. Pass to Valiente. 14. Ayun lang. Sumablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Godoy. Pass to Valiente. And Valiente angat. Sablay. Rebound. Iwarat. Oh, pass to Soto. Soto dribbling the ball. Ayun na. Akin na to. Oh! Napa-advance ang pass. Oh, napa-advance. 29 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Ayun na, Trinos. Pass to Valiente. Back to Trinos. 14. Godoy open. Back to Trinos. 10. Trinos will play. Sumablay and Kaliwan dribbling the ball. 10. Kaliwan. Laser and for two. Coming from Kaliwan. 5. 3. And almost but not quite. They score 53-52. 1 point lead. Isa lang. Ganda ng laban.
Good start. 53. Altak. Altaw Kilat. 52. End of the third quarter.
Altaw.
Approaching fourth quarter. Kung sino pong nagmamayari ng susi, paki-message lang po si Com at si manager. Ito po yung susi. Ito po yung susi, oh. Ito. Kung sino po nakaiwan ito.
Sino nakaiwan?
Punta lang kayo rito, ha. Paki-message lang si Com or si manager.
Kwarto yan, kwarto. Ilaw.
Wala nang one start.
Ayun, bola ng good start. Bola ng good start. Depensa Altaw Kilat. Ayun na, Silveras. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Valiente. Back to Silveras. Pass to Bernal. Open for 3. Bang! Bernal for 3. Napakabilis tumakbo pag nakakashoot. Kaliwan. Dribbling the ball. Kaliwan pa rin. Pass to Soto. 14. Pass to Sordilla. Soto open. For 3. And Soto! For 3. Akala nyo, ha? May tira yan si Soto. Akala nyo lang. Ayun na, Silveras. Pass to Bernal. Pass to Valiente. Open. Valiente. Budo. 58. 55. Ayun na. Kaliwan. Ganda ng si Warat. May foul doon. May number 01, Bernal. Second personal foul ni Warat. Shooting 2. Unang tiro sa Blay, last throw. Ayon sa Blay, Godoy for the rebound. Pass to Bernal. Pass to Silveras. Back to Bernal. For 3. Blay, ayun na, Lial. Ayun na. Alam na this. Oy, ganda ng fake. Sumablay. And Kaliwan. Basket gas. Time out. Good start.
Score po natin, good start. 58. 57. Altaw Kilat. Altaw Kilat. Ang hirap banggitin ng team na yan. Altaw Kilat. 57, good start 58.
Ten. 5. Ayun. Good yan. And Sordilla, pasok Kaliwan. Kaliwan. Back to Sordilla. Ganda ng assist. Sumablay. Godoy. Pass to Trinos. And Trinos in the ball. Trinos. Pass to Leon. And Noel. 4-10. Soliveras open. Ayun lang. Overshoot.
Sige.
7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. And Darnell drilling the ball. For 10. Ayun na. Lial. 10. Soto open. Ayun. Good ball yan. Foul number 20. Soto. Ano yan? First team foul pa lang. First team foul. First team foul pa lang. And Bernal, ayun, still coming from Kaliwan. Kaliwan, paso number 27, basket count. He scored tie game at 59-58. At lumamang na ng isa ang Altaw Kilat. Ayun na, Trinos. Ayun, nice D coming from Kaliwan. Kaliwan. Dribbling the ball, 4-in-1. Ayun lang, naipasa pa. Ayun na. Pass to Siliberes. Siliberes. Pass to Godoy. At meron ng foul. Ay dinawag number 20, Soto. Soto, fourth personal foul. 4 na. Second team foul. Unang tiro sa blind. Last throw. Ayun, basket, substitution. Darnell. He scored deadlock at 59. Ayun na, Kaliwan. 14. Pass to Warat. Pass to Sordilla, 10. Kaliwan, ayun, still coming from Jawari. And Jawari dribbling the ball. Pass to Siliberes. Pass to Trinos.
Tuloy nyo! Tuloy nyo, huwag niyong patayin. Lagi-lagi.
17 to shoot. And Noel receiving the basket. Pass to Trinos.
Huwag kayo masyadong mag-relax.
12.
Depensa sila.
8. Trinos for 3. Bang! Trinos for 3. And this double shot is brought to you by Gandur Company. Together with Jollibee. Kaliwan for 3. Sumablay, uy. Bawal na kasi yung ganun. Hindi. No rebound yan, no rebound. Bawal na yun. Jawari, number 31. Number 5, Trinos. Sino ba? Trinos? Number 5. Ang basket. Isa lang yun. Isa lang yung plus ball possession. Hindi. Plus ball possession yan. Ayun na, Kaliwan. Ayun. Ayan, Godoy. Back to Trinos. Ayun na, Trinos. Back to Jawari. Open for three. Sumablay. And ayun lang. Meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 20. Soto. 5 fouls.
Para sa akin, hindi dapat ibalik. Kasi technical yun. Disconcerting yun.
14 to shoot. Ayun na. Trinos for 3. Bang! Trinos for 3. Ayun na. Kaliwan. 14 to shoot. Ayun lang, tumama pa sa kanya. Score 65-60. Ayun na. Trinos, dribbling the ball. Trinos for 3. Sumablay, Kaliwan, dribbling the ball. Paso, Sordilia. Fake. Back to Kaliwan. For 3. Sumablay, Kaliwan. Ayun, sablay, Trinos. Dribbling the ball, pass to Jawari, and Jawari pass to Noel. Angat, basket down, Calabran, time out! Altaw Kilat.
Altaw Kilat. 60, good start, 67. Minutes na lang po ang nalalabi sa fourth quarter.
Okay, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. Zapping game clock. Sige lang, babalikan shot clock niyan. Pero yung oras niyan tuloy. Tumama na kasi sa katawan eh. Ayun na, Agustin. Pull up jumper. Sumablay, rebound, tapikan. Ayun na, Trinos. Dribbling the ball. Trinos pa rin, pass to Silveras. And Leon. Foul number 4, Iwarat. Tumagilid ka. Iwarat, personal foul. Warning for penalty. Unang tiro sa Blay. Last throw. Wait for the release. Wait for the release. Yung nasa load ng 3 points, kailangan tumama bola sa ring bago ka pumasok. Nothing but net coming from Noel. Pass to Lial. Back to Kaliwan. And Kaliwan. Kaliwan pa rin. Ayun na, Agustin for 3. Bang! Agustin for 3. Abakota na, idol. Ng kabataan nito si Agustin, mahirap pigilin to. Ayun na, Trinos, open. 14. Oo, may foul na. May foul na, sa baba pa lang. Agustin, number 33. Penalty na yan. Penalty na yan, penalty. Agustin, second personal foul. 3 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Nandito pasok kami from Trinos. Last throw. Now 100% shooting from the free throw line coming from Trinos. I score 70-63, 7-point lead. Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Ayon, tapikan, Lial, 14. Erase. Oh, nice defense. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 10. Ayun na, Lial. 8. 5. Kaliwan for 3. Sumablay, good ball yan. Lial. Sablay, Leon for the rebound. Ayun na. And Jawari dribbling the ball, 4-3 situation. Jawari, back to Trinos. Back to Jawari, open. Running shot, Sablay, and rebound by Kaliwan. Kaliwan dribbling the ball. And Kaliwan, good ball yan. Kaliwan na angat, Sablay. Bola in same, substitution. 14 to shoot. Ayun ang Kaliwan. Paso San Antonio. Portre. Sumablay. Ayun lang. Kapos. Ayun na. Trinos. 2 minutes and 24 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. Siliberes. Ayun na. Godoy. 14. 10. Trinos. Portre. Bang! Trinos from downtown Portray. 73-63, 2 minutes exactly. Last 2 minutes. Agustin. Paso San Antonio. Angat. And 1. Basket count yun. Basket count. Foul number 91. Substitution. Noel, second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus shot for San Antonio. 1 minute and 51, 73-65 ang the score. Ayon Sablay, Godoy for the rebound. And pass to Trinos. Pass to Siliberes. Pass to Dimesa. Back to Siliberes, 14 to shoot. Pass to Dimesa. Ayun lang, nasipa. 1 minute and 33 seconds remaining sa ating game clock. And Kaliwan dribbling the ball. Agustin, Portre. Ay, tirang kapos. 1 minute and 26. 73-65, 8-point lead. Ayun na. Dimesa, back to Silver. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. Ganda ng assist. And Trinos, Sablay. Good ball yan. Kaliwan. Saving the ball. Kaliwan pa rin. Portre. Sumablay. Substitution. Time out. Also Kilat.
May pasok ba? Okay lang yan. So.
Back to the ball game, 53 seconds. 53 seconds.
Vigilant yan, vigilant. Para na dito eh. Vigilant. Be vigilant.
Ay na, meron ng foul. Ay, number 01, Kaliwan. Penalty. Kaliwan, first personal foul. Oh, first pa lang si Kaliwan, unang foul pa lang.
Yan, shoot mo, Brad.
Unang tira pasok, last throw. Sablay, rebound, ayun na. And Galang. Pass the boys eh. Meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 12. 10, sorry. Ayun, basket. 75-65. 44 seconds, basket count. 44 seconds. Ayun na, Bogs. Pupukol ng tres. Sumablay, Trinos. And Galang. 76-65, pass to Dimesa. At meron ng foul.
Soy, grabe naman yan, Soy.
Basket, coming from Dimesa.
Wag na, shoot.
Basket, 78-65. Ayun na, Kaliwan. Ayun na, pupukol ng tres. Sablay. Demensa, 15 seconds. Ayun. Hindi pa. Kapapasok lang. May ending yan. Kaya ganyan pumapaul. Alam na ibig sabihin dahil sa ending. Ayun, basket.
05 yan, 05.
May nahabol na puntos yan. Na-score. 0-5 na. Sige. Kaliwan. Yari kayo ngayon. 0-7. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. And that's the end. Ayun, score 80-67, 0-7. Kamayan tayo both teams. Kamayan tayo. Pipicturean kayo sa gitna.
Ayan po. Ang
Pipicturean kayo sa gitna. Pipicturean kayo sa gitna.